Hello viewers, welcome back to new video. In this video, I will show how to fix WhatsApp unable to connect. Please try again later problem. Let's see how to fix this problem following all steps. Do not skip. Go to phone setting. Click on apps. Search WhatsApp app. Search WhatsApp app. Tap on clear data. Tap on clear cache. Tap on OK. Tap on three dot menu. Tap on other settings. Tap on reset app preference. Tap on reset app. Press on power button. Reboot on your phone. Swipe down notification panel. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.